Hi guys, today we are going to finish up chapter 6 by journalizing and posting adjusting entries. So our objective for today is journalize and post the adjusting entries for supplies and prepaid insurance. This is actually one of the easier sections because we already learned about adjusting entries when we did them in columns 3 and 4 of the worksheet. So we know they're recorded to update general ledger accounts at the end of the fiscal period to make sure that our supplies are reflective of what we used and our prepaid insurance are reflective of what we used, and we can account them for expenses. However, we recorded them in the worksheet. Now we also have to record them in the journal. So in order to do that, what we're going to do is on a new journal page, we are going to put the title Adjusting Entries. Then we're going to put the date, so it's going to be the last day of the fiscal period, the day that you're creating your worksheet. Supplies expense is going to be debited, and supplies is going to be credited. And then you're going to do the same thing for prepaid insurance. So really simple, you'll put just the 31st. Insurance expense is going to be debited, and prepaid insurance would be credited. Please take note that there are no document numbers because we don't need a source document when we are completing adjustments. Then once you're finished, you can see in the general ledger, supplies says 90. And if you think back to lesson 6.3, when we adjusted those columns and we updated the amounts over in the balance sheet columns, supplies was 90. Prepaid insurance was $750. Insurance expense was $150, and supplies expense was $530. So now, excuse me, the balance sheet columns and the income statement columns that we did on the worksheet are now reflected in our general ledger as well.